Hey, this is Mike Walworth with GAAP Dynamics, and here are my top 5 accounting issues related to business combinations accounting under ASC Topic 805. The first relates to whether the transaction is a business combination at all. You can have business combinations or you can have asset acquisitions, and the accounting is vastly different. And so number one, make sure that what you're buying truly meets the definition of a business. Number 2 would be identifying all of the assets and liabilities acquired. Now, in a business combination, it is not just as simple as taking the acquiree's balance sheet and just, adding it to yours. You need to identify all the assets, and that includes intangible assets. And under ASC 805, you're going to record intangible assets if they're separable or arise from legal or contractual rights. So that's things like customer lists, trademarks, licenses, patents. And that brings us to number 3. And the third, my third accounting issue related to business combinations is valuing all that stuff. If you're like me, you're an accountant and you went to school, but you didn't actually learn how to value this stuff. And this generally will require the use of specialists, and there's sophisticated valuation models, especially for things like these intangible assets that you're going to bring on the books. My fourth accounting issue relates to contingent consideration. This is where you acquire an entity, and then if certain things are met, you're going to pay more for it later. Under ASC Topic 805, that contingent consideration needs to be valued at fair value. And then really the issue comes about with regards to the subsequent measurement. Because under US GAAP, if you are paying additional cash, any changes in that fair value of contingent consideration go through earnings. So as we teach in our classes, there's some potential for management bias there. I'd rather overestimate my contingent consideration, be wrong and pay less, and then bring that, as I reduce that liability for contingent consideration, bring that through earnings. And so auditors, beware of that. And finally, my fifth accounting issue related to business combinations is kind of a pet peeve of mine. It relates to measurement period adjustments. And under US GAAP, as long as, within the measurement period, if there's certain estimates made on the acquisition date, you can sort of true up your combination with the adjustments going through goodwill. A lot of people think that's a blank check. It's a year blank check, and that is not the case. US GAAP has specific rules as to how long the measurement period should be, as well as the disclosures you need to make. And so that's it. That's the top 5 issues related to ASC 805. For further information, I suggest you check out our US GAAP business combinations topic page on our website. And of course, if you have any questions, give us a call. We're always here to help. Bye.